Hello, I'm in a 2011 Mini Cooper, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, I go down and you should see a release lever here. The little tension that you pull, you should hear a little pop, which we did, so it should be released now. So you can see the back side. There's like a little cable there with some tension that's attached. You should be able to see it there. If for some reason there's not a cable that's taut there, I need to get it reattached and tightened a little if needed. But we'll go up to the front now. And since I pulled that, it should be have like a little release now. Yeah, so here it's released. So you just fish around until you find the lever right here, or push up and pull. So right there is what that looked like. So I pushed that and it released, and it was hooked onto this. So if you're having some kind of issues with this, maybe your hood's not quite lined up straight, or this piece is a little off center, so just that. Maybe some debris caught in here, or need some like WD-40, something like that. But that's how that should look. And if it's not holding itself up, you might need to address these little hydraulics, see if there's something going on with those. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.